Hi and welcome to the Championships. Thanks very much for volunteering to help with scoring and timing. This is the timing software that will be running on the computer when you come in the morning. So as you can see, the court time is displayed at the top of the screen. At the moment it's 8:30 at night nearly, and we're starting in 54 seconds. This is the spectator screen. This is what is up in the grandstand, visible for everyone. And on the laptop that you'll be using will be a copy of this screen, which is the control screen that you adjust the scores and manage the timeouts with. We're about to start in 30 seconds and the computer will sound a ding as the 30-second warning. So the deck ref should relay that to the teams to warn them of the start of the game in 30 seconds time. The computer gets to 10 seconds from the start of the game. It counts down with a ding on each second. And at the start of the game the siren sounds and the screen colour changes from red to blue. In this instance, for the purpose of the demonstration, we're having a 1 minute half and we'll have a short half time. To score a goal, move the mouse pointer onto a goal white and click it once and it will record the goal and show it on the scoreboard. Same for a goal black, click it once and it will record a goal on the scoreboard. Make sure that the chief referee, the deck referee, is telling you clearly who has scored a goal and which team. So they should announce to you that black scored a goal or white scored a goal. If you're clear with your communications, it's much easier not to make mistakes. While a game is stopped, i.e. at half time or at the end of the game, if you try and award a goal, the program will warn you that the game appears to be stopped. So are you sure that the goal should be being awarded? This means that as soon as the siren sounds, if you have not clicked on the score goal button, you won't be able to unless you answer this question. So are you sure the game appears to be stopped? Yes, I'm sure it was a goal, it did happen in time. Click on that, the acknowledgement, and it will allow you to score that goal. At half time the siren will sound automatically and there will be a break, in this case 45 seconds. Again at 30 seconds there is a warning beep sounds. And then 10 seconds prior to the start of the second half you'll get the 10-second countdown. If a team calls for a timeout, make sure you know whether it is a black timeout or a white timeout. Click on the team button and select either black or white. You'll notice the screen changes to red and the 1 minute countdown starts. You cannot cancel a timeout, so make sure that one was called and make sure you know whether it was for black or white. A couple of seconds making sure of those details at the start is a much easier thing to do than to try and change it once it's running. After the 1 minute timeout period expires, the game is restarted automatically. If at any time the referee calls for a timeout, clicking on the ref's timeout button immediately stops the game and changes this panel to read resume game. When the deck referee signals for the restart of the game, click resume game and the program takes up where you left off. There's no limit to the number of times you can use this during a game. and it's just used at the instruction of the deck referee, or chief referee. In the last 2 minutes of play, for all stoppages, you'll go to referee's timeout unless it's the scoring of a goal. The easiest way to do that is any time the whistle sounds, or the siren sounds, go to timeout. If they award a goal, immediately restart the timer. At the start of the next game, the scores automatically go back to 0. You don't need to do anything. If you have any problems, come and find me and we'll go over how it all works. I hope you have a great competition.